Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Paragon Bank Savings Review My Usage Experience. Paragon Bank Savings Review My Usage Experience offers a way to analyze and understand your savings account performance with Paragon Bank. It's aimed at Paragon Bank customers who want a clearer picture of their savings activity, interest earned, and overall account health. Key features likely include account summary views, transaction history analysis, and potentially interest rate comparisons. Their website provides details on specific features and functionalities. Paragon Bank's website highlights ease of access via online banking, claiming straightforward reporting and no hidden fees. They emphasize secure access to your data. Availability is limited to existing Paragon Bank savings account holders. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Paragon Bank Savings Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I simply logged into my online banking account and found the Savings Review section easily. The interface was intuitive, with clear graphs and charts displaying my monthly interest earned, total balance, and transaction details. I particularly like the visual representation of my savings growth over time. It really helped me see the impact of consistent saving. The performance was excellent, everything loaded quickly and accurately. I had a quick question about a specific transaction and their online help section provided a clear answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the interactive graphs. They allowed me to easily filter the data by month or year. One minor drawback was the lack of downloadable reports. I would have preferred to save some of the data in a spreadsheet. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Paragon Bank Savings Review. It provided valuable insights into my savings performance, helping me track my progress and make better financial decisions. That's my overview of Paragon Bank Savings Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.